Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's gonna stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see it in your inbox. You will see the picture as well as the title of what the video is all about. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so you will be able to see in your inbox if it's something you want to watch right away. And then, like I said, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut. If not, it's a great reminder in your inbox for something for you to watch a little bit later in the day. All right, today we are going to go through the IPSY Glam bag. This is a lot of people's favorites because it's really where a lot of us started. It is the $12 a month bag. It is usually filled with 5 sample products, and sometimes they'll throw in a full-size product in there as well. But what's great is they also comes with a cosmetic bag, as well as it brings you into the IPSY family. What I mean by that is for the $12 a month subscription box, first of all, you get the fun of getting a bag every month, but it also enables you to have access to the shopper, which also has bundles and deals at fantastic prices all the time. They change almost every day where they add new products. And plus, if you do reviews on the products, which I recommend that you do, you gain points, and those points equal free products in your next bag. So it's just an all-in-all great way that if you always wanted to dip your feet into a program that is a subscription box, the IPSY Glam bag to me is where I would suggest you start, because you get the most out of this bag being part of IPSY. You get to get the feel of what it is to be part of almost like a group. So I really enjoy it, and it's one that I recommend very highly. All right. The bag that we got this month in this is fantastic. The details and everything on it are just beautiful. And I get all 3 bags on my channel, so if you haven't had the opportunity to watch those, please go back into my page and check them out, because each box was better than the next. But what I loved is all of the bags this month, the material was the same on all 3 bags. So you're getting the same quality, just a different style bag. So this bag is the smallest bag. The plus bag, which is 5 full size for $25, is a bag that's a little bit bigger with a different design. That one was in a beautiful mint green in a half moon shape, which is one of my favorites. And then the ultimate, which is the $50, which is 8 full sizes with 4 deluxe size products, comes with a train case, which is fantastic. But they all came in the exact same fabric and with this fantastic decal. And when you open them up, they're always fully lined, as well as with the IPSY logo. So I think they did a fantastic job this month on the bags. And IPSY is one of the only bags that always puts a bag, a cosmetic bag in there, and it's not part of the cost or the 1 of 5. That is always an extra bonus in the bag. All right, this month they're calling it Full Bloom, and that's what the card looks like. And inside the card they have the description of what the products are along with the full retail price. And I love that because in this bag, majority of it is sample sizes, but they share with us usually what the full price is, and then you'll know if it's something you've tested that you've enjoyed as a sample size, how much it is for you if you wanted to purchase the full size. So all these little details are things that I really enjoy with IPSY. So what's marked on the front of the card here, it simply says, Mother's Nature's finest work. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state, curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself just to blossom, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So let's open this up, and I'm going to go through the card, and so I don't miss out on anything. And I did do one add-on on this bag. The reason I did it, I lost my train of thought, I apologize, in this bag, because the add-ons were nothing fantastic, but there was something in the add-ons this month, was something I've wanted to try for a while. And the color that they gave me as an option in my original choices was too dark. It's a concealer. but in the add-ons they gave me the lighter choice, so that's why I did it that way. All right, so what they wrote on the top of the card here is roses are red and violets are blue. These 5 Glam Bags products valued at over $50 were picked especially for you. So the first item that's in my bag here is from Stephanie Botanicals. It's a berry and juice 100% vegan lip gel in RoseCurrent. What also blows me away is even in the sample sizes, they give us these fantastic boxes that are full retail type looking boxes with all the information. So to me, this is even something if you wanted to give as a gift, it looks just beautiful. So this, like I said, is from the brand called SERAPHINE Botanicals. It says it's 100% vegan lip gel. And let's see what they wrote about it here, and then I'll read to you if there's something missing that's on the back here, because it looks like it's one of those not tested on animals, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, missing all of the bad stuff. So let's see what they wrote here. They said, just because it's getting warmer out doesn't mean your lips need less TLC. If they are feeling dry, reach out for this healthy, hydrating lip gel. It's packed with shea butter, vitamin A and E to prevent them from drying, cracking, and flaking. They're saying the tip is to swipe directly onto your lips for a hint of color or dab it on using your finger for a stain-like effect. And they're saying the full size of this product is $19. And this is how beautiful the packaging is on the sample size, which to me is unbelievable. Just shows you what a fantastic brand this is. This is the doe foot applicator, and I'm just going to do a quick little swipe here. Really beautiful. This is my type of color that I love to wear. So it is a hint of a color. It's not too dark. It is perfect for spring. Absolutely love it. All right, first product, absolute win. The next product in here is one that I think I chose as a pick before in add-ons. So I don't think when you do add-ons, it goes somehow on your profile. So I ended up with, I think, a duplicate product. But like I said, the choices this month for me, I didn't find to be, usually I have a hard time choosing one because there's too many choices that I don't know what I want to choose as my pick. This month, they were all just, to me, ho-hum. So I ended up choosing something that I thought I possibly would have in my arsenal. Just so you know, on the 2nd of every month is usually the day where you get to see what's in your bag on the IPSY.com. I try to do a video. I wake up very early that morning to try to get my day organized so that I can film first thing in the morning when it's on the website, so you guys can see what's in my boxes and then what I chose or what our choices are for our add-ons. And because I do that so early, I don't have time to start going through all my products to see if it's something I already own. So when the bag came, and I do open up my bags prior to filming so that I could take my pictures on Instagram and then make sure that nothing's damaged inside the bag so I can deal with all that off camera. So this one is called the Nude, Shimmer, and Contour Palette. This is the one that I own, and this is the one that came in the package here. And I made it my choice because, like I said, I really wasn't sure what the choices were. And this is saying it is the Nude, Shimmer, Contour Palette. So I'm assuming it is exactly the same. And when I open it, I pretty much think it is exactly the same. So I'm going to put this one back in the package, and I'll put that into my giveaway pile. And then this here is the one that I already own. And you know what? I am so impressed with this that I thought if it was potentially one that I already owned, I knew that it would be a great item for future to give either to a family member or in a giveaway. So this is what this item looks like here. I'm going to do the swatches, and you can see it is loved. So there's one matte in here, and then they have 3 shimmers, but the payoff on this is really beautiful. So to me, it's a nice introduction to an eyeshadow palette that if the larger palettes come up from this brand, they are an absolute winner. So as you see here, it is absolutely stunning. So now you know why I didn't hesitate when that was one of the choices and there was really nothing else that I wanted to choose. I chose to have a duplicate of the item. So what they wrote here, and it's from this brand, there is no mirror on the inside. This is what the package looks like, and that is what the back of the package looks like. And it says it is from the brand ORYZA or ZA Beauty. And what it says here, it says it's a Nude, Shimmer, and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. They're saying this is a travel size palette. It has 4 silky smooth shades that range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made from a rice-based ingredient, as well as oils, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. You could wear them alone or together. They last all day without creasing or fading. The tip, they say, is to apply them with your fingers or a brush, wet or dry, to deepen on how bold you want to go. And the full size of this, they're saying, is $19.95. So it isn't an expensive brand, and to me, it is absolutely stunning. So I'm really, really happy to have that and to also have it for future gifts. The next item is from MOLY. It is a Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. And this is what it looks like here. It just came like this. And it says it is, if you have sensitive skin, no prob. This gel to water cleanser is made with natural fragrances with mild sulfates that won't make your skin feel tight or dry. Even better, it uses 5 different types of Centella acetica, which is a hydrating herb, to soothe inflammation and redness on contact. They're saying the tip is to massage this gel cleanser onto damp skin and it becomes water-like, and then you can rinse. They're saying this is deluxe sample size, but the MSRP, which is the manufacturer suggested retail of the full-size version of this product, which would be 6 ounces, is $12.50. MOLY is a brand that I'm really enjoying. We also got some sheet masks from this brand and some other products, and like I said, I've really been enjoying it. And I think it's a K-beauty brand. Correct me if I'm wrong down below. It comes with a safety seal, and I'll just put a little bit on here just to see if there's a scent. And there isn't. It's just a clean scent. It goes on like a clear gel. And so the only way to test cleansers is when you actually wash your face. So that's what it looks like there. A small little dollop that I put on there. But like I said, I put it on simply to see if there's a scent, and it's just a very, very clean scent. So that's a nice product to try. The next item is a full-size item, which I love getting in these boxes. And usually if I don't get a brush in, I usually choose to make it an add-on, because you can get these brushes in the $3 add-on section, which I absolutely love. And that's why I'm saying for a $12 bag, you get access to brushes for $3. It's just fantastic to be part of the IPSY family. And for $12, to me, it's the way to go. All right. The name of this brand is called ARACELI, and it's saying it is a Chiquita blending brush. It is very, very soft, but firm. It's not a flimsy brush at all. And I think it would be a really, really great blending brush. It has enough density to it. It's not too fluffy, but it's not overly compact either. So really happy with this as well. So this says the only thing you need to pack on your eyeshadow like a pro. This flat oval shaped brush, it allows you to concentrate, build, and blend pigments onto your lids with ease. Not only are the bristles made of an ultra soft nano synthetic fiber, they are cruelty-free and vegan too. The tip to use it, they're saying you can apply highlighter to small areas like your inner corners or your Cupid's bow. They're saying this is full size and this is a $14 value. I think this is a little large for the corner of the eyes. I use a really, really small tip brush for that, but I can see if they want to do just a little bit of highlighter with this, but to me this too is a truly a good blending brush. But like I said, you find brushes and you use them for whatever you want. These are suggestions for what they do, and then you play. The next item that's in here was one I was really looking forward to getting. It is from MURAD. It is a moisturizer hydrator. It's oil-free. It's a hydration nutrient-charged water gel. This is what it looks like here. The box is really big, but the component inside is not so big. But we'll see when we open it how much product is in there. But usually this is enough for you to realize if it's a product you're going to like and if your skin's going to like. So that's what this item is here. And MURAD is an expensive brand, so to be able to get to test it, I think is fantastic. So let's see what they wrote here. They're saying this winter is behind us, but that doesn't mean you should skip out on hydration. Switch to this lightweight water gel moisturizer. The oil-free formula is made with a combo of 5 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 5 peptides that help strengthen your skin's barrier and retain moisture. The tip is in the AM and the PM to massage a dime-size amount over your face and neck after cleansing. They're saying this is the deluxe sample size, but the the MSRP, which is the manufacturer suggested retail of a full-size version of this product, which is a 50 ml, is a $60 value. So that's what I mean. So you'll be able to try it. It's pink inside. I'm going to take a little bit on the tip of my finger of what's in the cap, because there's a lot in here. And they really just said you need a dime size amount for, I'm going to move it to my other hand, so give me a minute. Yeah, see, that's how it goes on here. It's that pink sheer, and the spreadability is unbelievable. So that little bit I could have put all the way up my arm. That's what it looks like here. Very moisturizing. And oh, it has a beautiful, faint but beautiful, beautiful scent, almost like a refreshing scent. I don't even know how to explain it. It just smells fresh, not like an orange like the Olay. It's just a really fresh, lightweight scent, and my skin just loves it. It just drank it in. That's before, and that part is after. So that's everything that we got in our box, or I should say our bag. And this is for the month of April 2020. This is the IPSY bag. So we received the MURAD product. We received a full-size brush, this fantastic lip gloss, this moisture boost from MOLY, and the 4 quad of this eyeshadow palette, all for $12. So really happy with that. My add-on item that I chose is from Koki. I heard some fantastic things about this concealer, and I love being able to, for $3, try it. This is the illuminating concealer. It is in the shade Light, which they have written SC762. That's what's written there. That's what the product looks like here. And I'm just going to open this up. It's a very small doe foot applicator. I'm so used to the bigger doe foots because of Tarte Shape Tape. Even my Cover and Go one that I'm using, the I always go blank when I sit here with all the brands that I use. The Makeup Revolution one. They're all really bigger brands now. So let me just see what the color looks like here. It looks great. So what this is, it looks like it's got great coverage, and I think it'll be a lot of fun to be able to try it and use. Like I said, they put a deeper color, like a medium or a medium dark, as my option, so I couldn't even choose it as a choice. That's why I chose the 4 quad eyeshadow, but that's what it is here. Anyways, that's everything that I received in my glam bag for April 2020. Thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me here. I hope everybody is staying safe and well and home, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, and please share my channel with others to help me grow on the YouTube platform. See you in the next one. Bye for now.